So I'll give you just a quick walk around my squash plants here. They're actually growing out of hay bales. I don't know if you can see them all back up here. Maybe I can get a better view of them. So didn't know what I was going to plant in these hay bales. I put tomatoes on. I got 2 sets of bales, 10 bales each, running across there, and I decided that I was going to put tomatoes on the back side. Well, come about week number 3, they were just coming up in good shape. We had a heck of a hailstorm and kind of took everything apart, so that didn't work out too well. And you know, I got a little chicken house here over to the left, using this this little plastic building that I was using for a shed, and obviously I got my greenhouse. But the squash is doing pretty well. I've watered it, haven't really done anything with it. Got a couple of cucumbers growing too, just to see how they go. And like I said, I've had some pretty good luck with the squash so far. They look like they're really starting to produce. And I just kind of let the tomatoes kind of shrivel up and die. I don't know if we can see down in here or not, but the tomatoes are kind of getting covered up by the squash, which I don't really care too much. I've got more than enough tomatoes. I've got them up on my deck, and I've got a whole line of them in bags right here that I've yet to stake up. So it's going to take some time there to get that done. And then, like I said, I'm not so worried about tomatoes because, as you can see, get a little Harbor Freight 10 by 12. I got tomatoes all the way down that side. I got a tomato tree coming up through my peppers, and some pretty good looking peppers growing too. Getting a pretty good selection of them. Some yellow and red peppers, some green bell peppers. So things are growing pretty good here at the ranch. So anyways, just want to give you the layout. For those of you that have seen my videos on Facebook, I figured I'd post one to YouTube, and maybe that'd be a little bit easier. Talk to you soon.